This is a 1948 Chevy Fleetmaster Coupe. It's been beautifully restored. Notice all the chrome work there on the front, large grille, and we've got driving lights, and underneath the hood here we have the famous overhead valve 6 that Chevy had so many years. There's the very tall carburetor with the oil bath air cleaner, oil filter, and we've got a dry jar for the washer fluid. Normally it's filled, and maybe it just evaporated. The normal tires, probably back in the war era, right after the war, would have been black walls, I'm assuming. Spotlight. Beautiful paint job. Stone guard down there in the rear fender. And you'll see the upholstery a little bit better when we get to the other side. Very durable type cloth. Deluxe steering wheel. The style for the wheels and tires was hubcaps and wheel trim rings. Here we see the very large trunk with the spare laying flat. We have pictures of the car over the years. And there's a toolkit. So it'd be interesting to know if that came with the car. I know some foreign cars had that. And here we see the passenger side, the upholstered door. You notice there's a clear vinyl covering here on the bottom to prevent the scarring when you get into the car. Your shoe catches the upholstery, so with that covering in place it doesn't happen. We've got a radio there underneath the very chrome grill there. Looks like a starter pedal next to the accelerator. And the Kleenex dispenser too under the dash. The upholstery on these cars really wore very well. You just notice their armrests, and notice there in the roof there was a kind of a rack for a hat. Never saw that before. If you didn't know where to put your hat, I guess you could slide it up onto the roof there. It's unusual. And men wore hats back in the day when this car was a new car. There is the overhead valve 6. And a hood ornament that meant business. They were big. Very nice car. Beautifully done.